Hello students, welcome to English Online Learning. Today we are going to learn a new chapter in English, chapter 10, The Rescue. Yes, do you remember what did we learn in our previous video? Yes, we studied about active voice, passive voice and homonym. And in this video, you're going to learn the story of a baby elephant who falls into a pit. And this story is taken from a book called The Rescue, written by Arup Kumar Datta. Arup Kumar Datta is an Indian author who has received many awards for his writings. So students, in this lesson we are going to learn what happened to the baby elephant. So are you all ready? Yes, let's get started. A group of wild elephants wanders away from the Kaziranga sanctuary and they enter a nearby village. And do you know where Kaziranga National Park is located? Yes, so Kaziranga National Park or Kaziranga Sanctuary is in Assam. It is located in Assam and it covers an area of 430 square meters. So it is a very large area and it is listed by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. And in this park we could see many one-horned rhinoceros and elephants beside other animals. So how the story starts, a group of wild elephants, they wander away from the Kaziranga sanctuary. And what did they do? They enter a nearby village and a baby elephant falls into a pit and it gets caught in the pit. And what happened? There was a greedy man, a greedy village man whose name was Nalia, and he catches the baby and he decides to sell the baby because the part of the elephants are very costly. Okay, their skin and other parts of elephant, their horn are all very costly. So that is why they wanted to sell the little elephant. But there were 3 boys in that village whose name were Danai, Babul and Jaunty. So in this story we'll find out whether Danai, Babul and Jaunty are able to rescue the baby elephant. So Danai, Babul and Jaunty came to know that Mr. Nalia has captured the elephant and has kept the elephant safely in his house. So Danai, Babul and Jaunty, they decided to go to Nalia's house in search of the elephant. So night time they went to Nalia's house and they climbed over the bamboo fence. The house was in total darkness and they roamed around the house. Finally they reached the cowshed. So in front of the cowshed, at the entrance of the cowshed, Nalia had kept one guard to watch over the baby elephant. But this guard was fast asleep. He was sleeping. So the boys heard the snore of the guard. So carefully they somehow entered the cowshed. So and Jaunty switched on his torch, and he saw that on the left side of the cowshed there were 2 big bulls, and on the right side of the cowshed an elephant calf was tied to a pole or a stick. And what did this boy do was he threw the torchlight on the little baby's face, and they were surprised to see that the baby elephant was crying there. Stream of tears were pouring down the baby's face, and the boy slowly they came to the elephant calf and they gently stroked at its back, and the calf also responded by curling his trunk around the boy. And Jaunty brought a knife. He tried to remove the ropes which was tied around the foot of the baby elephant, and at last the ropes were untied. But then one of the bulls started to make a loud noise and the baby elephant got scared and it also began to scream. So all these noises awoke the guard. And the guard quickly ran into the cowshed to see whether everything is all right. But then Babul left the calf. Okay, he hit the calf smartly on the back, and with a sudden cry, this calf began to run out of the cowshed like an express train. And the calf ran straight into the guard, pushing the guard down. But the guard was not hurt. He immediately got up from the ground and he began to run into the house and he was shouting the elephant calf has escaped. And this noise woke up everyone at the hut. So they ran out of the hut and they brought a light to know what has happened, and they found out that little baby elephant has tried to escape from the cowshed. So now the tricky and cunning Nalia, he came up with an idea. So he told all the other men to run towards the baby elephant from all the other directions so that the baby have no place to escape. So under Nalia's instruction, the men, they all separated. They all ran and jumped towards the animal from different directions. But the result was the baby elephant slipped through the gap and it rushed blindly into Nalia's hut. So the walls of the hut were weak because they were all made up of bamboos. And the hut shattered into pieces, and on seeing this, Nalia became so angry and he immediately screamed at his workers to bring the Kunki elephant. So Kunki is nothing but a trained elephant. So they thought this trained elephant will help in catching the elephant calf. Seeing all this, the boys, they came up with a new idea. So what Danai did was, so Danai was the son of an experienced elephant man. Danai put his two fingers to his mouth and he began to whistle. So this was a trick his father, an experienced elephant man, had taught him. So what was the effect of the whistle? The baby elephant, on hearing the whistle, it ran with a great speed towards the direction from which the whistle had come. So what happened while the baby was running? He ran through the bamboo fence straight into the gate, and the gate and the bamboo fencing, everything came out because all those structures were very weak and old. So this little elephant began to run towards the boys who were waiting there on the other side of the village. So this baby ran hurriedly to the waiting boys, and these boys welcomed the little elephant affectionately or lovingly. Then quickly they brought the elephant into the sanctuary, and as they entered the deep forest of the sanctuary, the boys slowed down to find the mother of the elephant. So as the little boys and the baby elephant entered the forest, the mother, who was actually searching for the baby elephant, came out with a joyful noise, and both the mother and the baby, they hugged each other as the baby elephant ran towards its mother. Thereafter, the mother and the baby elephant lived happily in the Kaziranga National Sanctuary at Assam. So this is the story of how a baby elephant got caught in a pit from which a greedy village man rescued the elephant, but he tried to sell the elephant to a poacher. But what happened was, luckily 3 boys from the village, they helped in rescuing the elephant, and finally they brought the little elephant and left the elephant along with his mother in the Kaziranga National Park. So children, did you all like this story? Yes. So I want you